Yeah, I did some breaded chicken tonight. It looked like it came out okay, actually. I dried off the wings. I washed off the wings, then dried them off real good. And then I rolled them all in some vegetable oil. And then I rolled them all in some breadcrumbs, gluten-free breadcrumbs, and cooked them in my toaster oven for probably about an hour and a half at 350. And they're looking pretty good. So, there. Ha! Oh, this is good. This came out great. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's nice. Nice and crispy, and the breadcrumbs stuck to it real nice. This is the best I've ever done on chicken. Mmm. Oh, excellent. All right, I gotta remember this one. Happy day to you. Mmm.